It's a bit of a damp day in Fort Smith, but we're not here to worry about the wet. We're here to worry about what it's going to be like when it's colder this winter. How do you keep warm at a relatively decent price? Well, come and meet Joey, who's figuring out a way.
Okay, so we removed the old siding and then added on insulation to the entire perimeter of the house and inside the garage, facing the inside walls, and then we added the new windows. It's a big job, but it was definitely, we did it before winter and we saw results right away.
You talked about having the insulation of the windows done. What was the motivation?
We were cold a whole lot. Yes, cold for a lot of money. So, we put the heat at 20 and everyone was still wearing 2 sweaters. So now when we put the heat at 20, it feels warmer, it's comfortable in the house.
How did you go about figuring out what exactly to do?
Arctic Energy Alliance came and did the test, and then he did a walk around the house, very thorough inspection, and he basically just, I guess he has a checklist, and he looked around everything and the insulation, the windows, possible air leaks around the house, and the furnace, hot water tank, all the different heating sources, and just came up with a very comprehensive list of, or a report, I guess, of what was needed to improve the house.
How much financial help were you able to get from the program in terms of rebates and things like that?
There is a lot, especially if you do the complete house wrap. So if you insulate the exterior walls, that then puts you into a new category to have more rebates for other things. So I think there is help available for, let's say, just the furnace or just the attic insulation. But if you do the deep home retrofit and you insulate the exterior walls, then there are different levels of help available. So the more you do, the more different things are applicable. Once they do the test, you have 3 years to complete all the work, which is nice because it's a lot of work and a lot of money. So you have a lot of time to get it all done. And then they'll come back whenever you tell them.
You guys are already seeing results though, right? Even though you're not finished.
That's correct. Because we attacked the insulation first, we have seen our heating bills go down by 50% easily.
That's huge.
That is huge, yeah. And 50%, yeah, it was very expensive at the start. 2 floors, old house, there was all single pane windows. So yes, we're very happy already. So then if we change the furnace, that will be another substantial amount.
What would you say to people who are looking at the Arctic Energy Alliance's website right now and maybe reading through the deep home retrofit and thinking, oh, I just don't know, this seems like work, and how will I navigate through this? How's it been for you as an experience?
It's been very easy. I mean, home renovations are home renovations. So if you're planning on doing it, it's a no-brainer to go with the Arctic Energy Alliance because there's so much help, financial help. Home renovations are not cheap. And any help is nice, and there is a lot of help available at the moment. So, yes, I have been telling people around town when they're talking about renovations, like, look into the Arctic Energy Alliance. 100% is worth it.